Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your friend Shinobi, and in today's video we're going to talk about the swivel mode and the basic mode of the LG Wing. So here I have the LG Wing with me, as you can see, and if you go to the settings, in the display settings you'll find these two things. If you can see that, yeah, this is the basic home and swivel home. If we go to basic home, you'll see this normal mode, okay, all the settings regarding the home screen. And if we go to swivel home, you'll see all the stuff regarding the second screen or the swivel mode. Alright, and in here also you'll get this second screen option where you can select the second screen apps, all the apps here, and unless you tick the apps here you won't be able to see them on the second screen, so keep that in mind. And you can also toggle it to swivel to view notification, and you can either independently use both the screens at different brightness levels, or you can just connect them so they may change the brightness at the same time. Pretty neat. Alright, nothing much to see here anymore. Let's quickly open it up, and voila, as we can see, this is the swivel mode. You have these handy shortcuts on the home screen. I've added a few more like Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video, Spotify, and these were the ones which were there from the start. And as you can see, this is the bottom screen. I've ticked all these apps here, and I've also selected a few multi-screen shortcuts. And as you can see, if we go to the swivel home settings, okay, you'll find this multi-app shortcut thing. Just go in here and select any two apps of your choice to pair them together to open on simultaneous screens. Okay, so the possibilities are endless. As you can see that I have a few here, so let me just open up YouTube on the top and Chrome at the bottom. I'm gonna turn on the internet now. There are gonna be a lot of notifications here. Okay, alright, so we are online, as you can see. And you can also just switch things up like this. Pretty nice. Let me search for the Suraj Bodu's channel here. Alright, I'm gonna play this particular video here because it's 4:3. As you can see, looks pretty neat, doesn't it? And we can directly switch this up. As you can see, you can watch a video on the top and scroll through Chrome or Google. Pretty nice, right? And you can also, when there is a video playing up, alright, when there is a video playing up on the top screen, you can do this and you'll get the options, the playback options here. So you can forward it back, or you can just increase the screen brightness, the volume, all that good stuff. And yeah, you can turn this on or off if you want. Okay, I don't really need this. Yeah, and this is also this lock which will lock the bottom screen, so that you don't end up touching it somehow if you're playing a game or something. So yeah, pretty nice. And you can also use this as a trackpad. Pretty cool, right? You see this mouse moving around, right? If we go to the home, you can move this around like that. All the touch gestures will work. So that is pretty nice. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And we go into Chrome. Now you can scroll easily and click on things. Pretty nice, right? And in some of the apps you will find that the screen has some additional functionality, like let me just turn on asphalt for a moment. You can see it opens up in both the screens. If we turn on auto rotate in here, as you can see the player stats are above and the game is at the bottom. This is the only game I think which has this functionality at the moment, but I hope more games will adopt. And when you start a race, the map will come up over here and the game will run at the bottom. So you can do this if you want. Pretty nice. As you can see, everything works pretty well. So that's the swivel screen for you. And yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Definitely hit the subscribe button and share this video, because more videos on the LG Wing will be coming up on the channel pretty soon enough. And yeah, that's about it for this video. My friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.